Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This reading is about your personal current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of March. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see. First we will see your personal current feelings towards you. So Aquarius, your personal current feelings towards you. Okay, your personal current feelings towards you. Some current feelings towards you. Capricorn. Okay, wait, your person current feelings. Right now your person feeling stuck. Yeah, they're confused, they're stuck, lot of things going between you and your person. Maybe some issues, some arguments, whatever. Maybe one person is hiding something from other person in this connection, something mysterious. Right now your person feeling stuck, they don't know how to approach you, how to make any more. They're feeling stuck, they're confused right now your person. Aquarius. So let's see your person current feel. First card, Page of Pentacles. They're thinking about to communicate with you. They want to send some message. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Your person may be immature, but they're thinking about to communicate with you. And the Devil card is here. They're obsessed with you. I think this person is toxic for you. There is no commitment, what I'm seeing here. Maybe your person is very dominative in this connection. Maybe your person are addicted to some bad habits. There is some toxic energy. This person is toxic for you. For some there is only obsession between both of you, not for all. For some your person may be toxic for you. For some they're obsessed with you. And Queen of Pentacles. I think you are concentrating on your career, focusing on yourself, because you are very giving and caring person. Now they're obsessing because you are doing your work, you are investing energy on yourself, and they're thinking about you, that you are very caring and giving person, but you are concentrating on yourself, investing energy on yourself. They're not getting the attention from you. Now they're obsessed over you. Now maybe for some you are in no content situation, for some you are in relationship, but this is on and off connection. That's why they want to keep tabs on you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. They want to send some message, and there is a lot of obsession going here. Your person is heavily obsessed with you. And Queen of Pentacles. Maybe for some your person, very few right now, they're concentrating on their career, but coming and checking and keep tabs on you. That type of energy I'm getting here. I think maybe for some this person really toxic for you, and they're stuck right now. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. And so in some cases they will take action soon, but in some cases it will take some time, because everyone's situation is different from others, and this is general reading, not about particular one person. Okay guys, so let's see their intentions. So under the deck, 10 of Swords. So I think there is type of ending between you and your person. Maybe you ended it with your person because they're toxic for you. It could be anything. So let's see. Your person current intentions towards you. Aquarius. Your person current intentions towards you. Okay. Oh my God. The Sun and Three of Cups. Under the deck, the Emperor. Five of Pentacles. They're feeling lonely. They're missing you if you are in separation. And Emperor, they want to offer stability this time. Maybe they're realizing your worth. But the Sun is here. For some, it could be third party involved in this situation, maybe children's also involved, one person have children's kids in this connection. So the sun, maybe they're realizing you both, maybe they're feeling that you are their happiness. When you're gone, then they're realizing you both, maybe they started realizing you both. And three of cups with sun card, yeah, they want reconciliation, they want to be with you again. Yeah, they really want reconciliation. But the devil with three of cups, I think third party, strong third party involved in this connection for some, not all. And five of wands energy is here. There is lot of drama going between you and your person. There is lot of things going, arguments, whatever, but lot of things going. Maybe your person is obsessed with you, stalking on you, lot of things are going. And the emperor with five of pentacles, cold shouldering, your person feeling lonely without you. Now they're realizing you both, but they want to be with you, but I am not seeing any proper intention. They want to be with you, it's fine, but action, I think there is no proper action. They're wishing to be with you, but for that they have to make action, proper action. I am seeing still there are some arguments, misunderstandings between both of you. Yeah, they're wishing they want to be with you, then it's up to you. But this is devil energy. Maybe for some it could be this person is toxic for you. And the emperor with five of pentacles and three of wands, waiting. That's why, because this is waiting game going between you and your person. Maybe your person dominative in this connection, they are waiting for you to take action towards them. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull the outcome for the current situation from the universe. Maybe they're scared to make a move towards you. Knight of Swords. Five of Swords. Yeah, definitely this person is toxic for you. Deception is here, some resistance. And the Hermit, right now your person not talking to you. Maybe they're undergoing some spiritual awakening. So Knight of Swords with Five of Swords, there are a lot of things going between you and your person. And maybe they lie to you, whatever. Five of Swords, backstabbing. And Knight of Swords, yeah, they want to communicate with you. You will receive some communication from your person. And because already Page of Pentacles, they are already thinking about to communicate with you. Yeah, they will message you or call you very soon. Hangman. Hermit. I think you also undergoing some spiritual awakening. Aquarius, I think you decided being cold because maybe you're realizing that your person lying to you, cheated on you. Some realization you are getting because the Hanged Man with the King of Swords, you want clarity, you want the best. Otherwise you are being cold towards your person, because this time I think in past you are very loving and giving person, but now you don't want to be. You want to be harsh towards your person. Maybe in words you want to be cold. And you stand by your power, because your person may be putting you in a waiting period and causing lots of resistance and anxiety energy in you. Yeah, Hermit and High Priestess, maybe you are listening to inner self, your higher guides are with you. Yeah, communication, they want to communicate with you. That is the action, major action they will take, because other than there is no King of Cups, there is no King of Pentacles, only Knight of Swords energy. Communication will come. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. But you are stand by your power, and maybe in near future you will be like this. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. So a time for healing, meditate and contemplate. Don't let your past hold you back. I think a time for healing for you. it could be for your person also. I think it's you. So a time for healing. So if you have any issues, maybe you are getting a lot of thoughts and you are getting a lot of anxiety, depression, just do. You required healing. Definitely it's time for you to heal yourself. Meditate and contemplate, do meditation, and give time to yourself to heal yourself from past hurts, because don't let your past hold you back. So you have to heal first to move on from past hurts. These are the messages from universe, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.